In this video, we will learn about how to change the date format in Microsoft Excel. So this is a date which is 21st December 2020. As we can see, the date is in DD, MM, YYYY format. That means date, then followed by month, and then year. Now, if I want to change the date in any other format, let's say month will come at first, followed by date and year, or year followed by month and date, these kind of changes we can easily do in Excel. So let's see. So this date format have to change. So I will select this cell. I will right click and go to format cells. Carefully observe the navigation, right click, then format cells. I will click on this. Then the category will be date as the data type is date. Then I will go to the type. Let me go take this to the right side so that you can see. Type. If I now I am in this type. Let's say if I want to change like DD YY format, that means date followed by month and the last two digits of the year, then I will select this and OK. You can see the date is changed like DD YY format. Now in case of any other changes, again I will right click and go to format cells. Now if I, let's say if I want like this format, the month will come in word followed by date and year. So in our case it will be December 21st, 2020. So let's select on this type and then click OK. You can see it is coming like that. Now if I want to change in any other format, you can also do that easily. The navigation is same. I can show you some more cases, like this is selected as English Canada. If I go for any other country, like say English India, you can see that formats are changed. Like again, I'm going there. Let's say it is in English in the United States. You can see formats are different. And if I go to English India, you can see again the formats is getting changed. So it is you can say location specific. So if you want to set the time, date for any other country, you can easily select from the country location. And let's say you go for English in United States, the formats will be changed and you can select anything from there. You select on that and click OK, and this will automatically change. So this is how you can easily change the date format in Microsoft Excel. I hope you have understood. I will be coming with more date time videos later on. That's all for today. Thank you.